Hello, guys, and welcome back. So today we are doing another unboxing of Sneak. So we have this basic package that they sent out. Well, I say basic. I do like I just love the bunny and the artwork. So this is Blizzard. This is it's a drop that they did last year, but I missed out on it. I didn't get to have any last year. So as soon as it dropped this year, I made sure I got some. Then we've got the shaker. Nice cool design on there. I'll get that in. You see it's got a nice cool design on it. Standard shake it's all the same. And then we have the tub. What's in there? So this is the Sneak tub, Blizzard. Visual design, and then all your ingredients in that. So I have heard that this is like a lemonade flavor. It's all embossed as well, which is quite cool. And then like snow camo design on top. Snow camo design on there as well. Ooh, smells nice. It's just like snow, like powdered snow. So I'm gonna make a drink up and have a taste of it. So there we have the water. So they do recommend that you have between 300 and 400. Oh, let's see it on here that much. That's there. So they do recommend that you have um, about there. So 300 to 400. But there's no reason why you can't have it a bit higher. Just just top of the scoop. If you put much more in, then it's just going to be all powdery. We've got ice in the water as well. Give it a real good shake up. Oh, yeah, it does taste. It's lemonade, but it's not fizzy. But it's not. It doesn't taste like flat lemonade. That's quite nice actually. So they do recommend that you only have one of these a day. Try not to have two. Try not to go overboard. Obviously, don't give it kids. And if you're pregnant, I probably wouldn't advise something like this either. I probably wouldn't advise any energy drink to be honest with you, but I'm not a woman and I'm not pregnant, so I don't know. But as before, if you want to check this out, they do have some taster sachets, so you can like, I think it's like 5 or 6 different flavors, and get a shaker. Someone used my code last time, and they got about £7 to £10 knocked off. I don't know if these money knocked off using the link below, but check it out. Check out the flavors. There's cherry bomb. There's tropicilla. There's millions flavours, strawberry and watermelon, I think. Check it out. Let me know what you think. A few people have ordered some from my last video. One of them has already got theirs and they've tried one, they enjoyed it. Again, it's not everyone's cup of tea. I'm not saying have this instead of Red Bulls. If you like Red Bulls, then keep drinking Red Bull. But check it out. Let me know if you like it. Hit me up on Twitter or drop it in your comments. Just let me know if you tried it, if you've liked it, or if you prefer G Fuel maybe, or Razor, or whatever else it is. Thanks for watching, and you take care.
And baby doll, I'll tell you once, my heart is never up to dressing like an E-boy, long sleeve stripe me boy, black shirt overseas boy, it's all a decoy. I wanna look so fond, and you double tap twice, and you always swipe right like an E-boy, long sleeve stripe me boy, black shirt overseas boy, it's all a decoy. I wanna look so fond.